Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to delete extra word page easy and fast. When you open the Word document, you can see the page that will be deleted. To do this, simply place the cursor at the end of the page, press the backspace key to delete the entire page. You will see that you will only have the desired sheets. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.